Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to Voice of Kishwa. So I'm asking some questions using do, did, does. So okay, let's go start. First of all, we can use do. Do you go to college every day? Does she go to college every day? Yes, she goes to college every day. Did you go to college yesterday? Yes, I did go to college yesterday. No, I did not go to college yesterday. Did Raju go to college yesterday? Yes, Raju did go to college yesterday. No, Raju did not go to college yesterday. Does Sita go to temple every day? Yes, Sita goes to temple every day. No, Sita does not go to temple every day. Do you take dinner every day? Did you take dinner yesterday? Does he take dinner every day? Yes, she take dinner every day. Yes, he takes dinner every day. Did Raju go to temple yesterday? Yes, Raju did go to temple yesterday. No, Raju did not go to temple yesterday. Haru, yes, Raju went to go to temple yesterday. No, Raju did not go to temple yesterday. We can use did plus V1 or V2 directly. Did you understand getting my point? No, I'm explain another full topics. So, do, did, does. Did is asking yes or no questions in past. Do does do only use I will you does he she it any name any singular name. They go to temple every day. Do they go to temple every day? Yes, they go to temple every day. And we we go to temple every day? Yes, we go to temple every day. Do I go to temple every day? Yes, I go to temple every day. Not use I am. This is only simple past, simple present too. And do first of all do use simple present too. And also does also simple present too. And did you can use only past, simple past too. This is all yes or no questions. I can tell another video to simple present continuous tenses. Am is are, was were, will be, shall be. See you. Bye. Thank you.